Hey there guys, I just want to talk real quick about the MLS long ID that needs to be in your KW profile. This is something that the Michael Lewis Marketing Suite can't do. So it's basically after you get onboarded here and everything else gets set up, your MLS is set up, your profile set up, and all that stuff. The last little thing we have to do is make sure that this MLS Armless ID is in your KW profile, so that KW keeps track and knows exactly what's going on through Armless. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You can do it yourself. If you need help, you can come to me, and I'll walk you through it. But it's really super simple. So one, you log into the MLS. This is Armless right here. I haven't logged in. If you go over to the top right, you should have your initials up in the corner. If I click on it, come down to My Profile. It's going to go to the My Profiles page. This is where you would go and enter your phone number, email address, update kind of stuff like that. Right up here at the top says Personal ID, has this big long number. This is why we call it the long ID. It's a big long number right there. Usually ends in a bunch of zeros. Just take that, highlight it, and copy it. So just copy. So we've got that in our clipboard. Now we want to go over to the My KW page. So everybody's got a page that looks something like this. So let it load in, know who you are. And over here on the left-hand side under your picture, it has a profile button. So go ahead and click that. This usually takes a sec to load in. And or 10 seconds. So right here, once you're at your profile page, everybody should have at least been to this once or twice to complete some things. Now, Mike Lewis Marketing Suite does a lot to get it completed, so it should be pretty much all done. However, the one thing that we have to do that they can't do because they don't have access to that long ID from MLS is update this. So right underneath your picture, if you have a picture, it's here. If you don't have a picture, there will be a little hyperlink that says upload or update MLS info. If I click that, it's going to load me into the MLS info. If you have this sitting here, if you have Agent's MLS ID and it's your like normal MLS ID, like mine is CA194, then you just click the edit and paste that new number in there. Right, so then you just hit paste, right? So there you go. And then it should look like this. If you don't see anything here, you hit add associate MLS info, pick Arizona Regional MLS, and then paste this MLS ID in there. What that's going to do is make sure that in the background on the KW side, we know what goes in the MLS for you. So that's pretty much it. Again, if you got any questions, give me a shout. Once you're done with this, you can just close this. Once it says this right here, this isn't a hyperlink or anything, it says that, you can just close that tab and you're good to go. If you got any questions, give me a shout and we'll make it work. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.